Unboxing of the Forma high performance boots. Ang Forma. Ooh. What's this? Ang Forma stuff. Ay, smell test. We smell. Made in Romania. Tignan natin kung gamit na. Hindi pa. Tignan natin yung isa. Natin kung gamit na. May hangin tawag mag-collapse. Mayroon burloloy. Pang Forma. Hindi lang pang pamilya, pang Forma pa. Oh, may sticker pa. Oh, may sticker. Pampabilis yan. Okay. That's the unboxing of the Adventure Performance Boots. Forma boots.